Are going to be making a milkshake. And yeah, you could do this too.
So we are doing smoothies, and our first ingredient is strawberries. We want to get some nice little frozen strawberries. Get some frost on them if you like.
And brown sugar.
And we need brown sugar.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. Honey. And then we got this just to design. And of course we got ice cream. I can't show you, but ice cream.
The ice cream is optional. You don't have to put ice cream.
Oh
but
yeah,
if you would
and milk.
like...
And milk.
Okay, wait, didn't we need ice? Okay, so we also need ice.
Maybe.
And we're getting the not expired. Okay.
Milk? Wait, bring the milk over here.
Milk.
Big Judy Booty.
Okay, so now we are going to start putting the ingredients in. We are going to tell you exact how many ingredients, and we will start, and we will pause the video, and we will also show you how much of the ingredients you need. So,
okay, we switched places, so yeah, let's get started. So we got
hello, we are back, and we have put 3 spoonfuls of ice cream for some reason. So you anyways, you don't have to put too much. You could put 2 spoonfuls, or at least maybe even 1. You don't even have to put any. And now we're going to start our other ingredients.
And we just put some ice, and some strawberries. You can see. And then we're
about 7 strawberries.
You can put how much strawberries you want. Mm-hmm. Then we're adding the honey and the ground cinnamon. So yeah,
go.
Okay, so now we just put some honey and some brown sugar.
Brown cinnamon.
Or
We put ground cinnamon, and we put 4 shakes of the ground cinnamon, and we put maybe 6 seconds of honey.
Now we're gonna blend.
Except that might be vary because the honey's kind of different and the cinnamon's kind of different.
Oh, so we're gonna blend it now.
Wait.
Yeah.
So now we are in the process of blending.
I think we're gonna put more milk. Okay, it's not done yet, but
The battery's running low, by the way.
I think we should have put more milk.
So there
pause.
we go.
Okay, it's paused.
No, it's not paused.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And I'm not doing it this time. You are gonna do it.
Do what?
We have to put more milk.
No, we don't.
You should. Oh yeah.
That's how we get a lot of milk.
That doesn't look good. I'm gonna do it more.
Oh yeah, you guys were unpaused. So we are going to do this. Now put
She turned it
medium.
off.
So we are in the process of mixing, blending. Are you sure?
We are done.
I'm not sure, Danny.
It's done. Look it.
Okay, looks a bit thick.
Yeah,
Too thick. I think those.
Yeah. Okay, guys, look it.
Design your beautiful cup is step 2 after you have blended. Actually, it's step 3.
Yes. So
First step was
Guys, I have to build.
Okay, so now we have finished ours. This is how it came out.
you guys can blend it more.
Yeah, you could blend it more if you want, but this is how ours came out. Bon appetit. Okay, let's try it.
It's spilled.
Is it good? Those were expired, Danny! Okay.
I was waiting for you.
Yours will come out better as long as it's not expired. Make sure you have all the ingredients. We just use scraps, so have a nice day.
This is disgusting.
That's because it was expired. Those smoothies are very good. It's a family recipe. Just don't get expired ingredients. See you later. Check out my other videos. Please subscribe to Danny Martin and Audrina Dennis. Yes, like and subscribe. Check out our comments. See how yours came out. Bye.
Oh, you.